Quickie Rough Surface Palmyra Scrub Brush. Deck Scrub Brush, Coarse Fibers 9-inch. Coarse Palmyra Fibers. 9-inch by 2.5-inch woodblock. Use with any standard threaded handle. Quickie makes expertly engineered and remarkably simple cleaning tools to help you achieve a real clean made easy. Since 1950, we've been a leading innovator in mops, brooms, brushes, dusters, scrubbers and more, stickware and smallware as the categories are known. In addition to the flagship brand, our portfolio also includes Quickie Bulldozer with tools uniquely designed for DIY projects and heavier, at-home jobs, and Quickie Jobsite featuring contractor-grade tools for a professional clean. The Quickie Scrub Brush works great for scrubbing tires, trash cans, concrete, stucco and more. The wood block fits any standard threaded handle. 9-inch by 2.5-inch wood block. Use with any standard threaded handle. Quickie designs, manufactures and distributes over 300 cleaning products for traditional in-home use as well as contractor and DIY grade applications. The product line includes mops, brooms, dusters, dustpans, brushes, buckets and other supplies. Top reviews from the United States. Bit smaller than I thought but works great. Thought it was a bit larger, which is my fault. Also looked in pics like bristles were metal, they weren't. Bought it to scrub stains on my concrete shop floor. May not be metal bristles but they are very firm and it does an amazing job. Highly recommend.